When I created this, we had no idea what it would do. And the biggest thing that it did was it showed high school students, and now it shows middle school students, that they can add to the NASA community.
Because we actually solve problems that NASA gives us. We work with their teams, their engineers, their programs. We sit down and they tell us things that they want us to look at and want our students to work on through the next upcoming school year. NASA understands that workforce development is key. NASA has identified and recognized those as key areas of development that they want to focus on in the next decade.
Yo pienso que al hacer este proyecto podemos dejar nuestra huella y es importante que nosotros como estudiantes puertorriqueños podamos mejorar el futuro.
So my job specifically is I go work with astronauts and engineers to find projects that are related to the space program and be able to get students to go from an idea in their head to an idea in their hands.
Es quizás difundir un poquito más la información, que esto está disponible, que escuelas pueden participar, homeschoolers pueden participar, colegios privados, y la experiencia pues ha sido fantástica.
Now, as we become more sophisticated, way beyond what the Saturn V has, we have software, we're growing in artificial intelligence. When we're doing the Moon to Mars mission, we have to introduce artificial intelligence with medical application.
This whole project, I really got like the feel of it one day when my dad was having trouble taking his medications and I had to count each pill. I was like, you know what, this is, for those type of situations, this is what it's for, right? To help the people. And I really want to continue this project even after I leave high school, because I feel like if I can really get this out, I could really help a lot of people.
At first, some of them are like, oh gosh, you know, I failed at that. And I'm like, no, you didn't fail at that. That's called engineering, because that's what we do. We start with something, we test it, and then we're like, we need to redesign this before we get it right. And that's okay, because that's just part of the process.
I learned so much about how networks work, what is cybersecurity, how is NASA planning to establish a moon base. All of those things I learned because I didn't know anything about them, and I'm really happy for that.
It's a win for NASA. It's a win for the community. It's a win for the students, for the schools. Everybody wins. Everybody comes out a winner.
This has just been an amazing experience overall, being able to communicate with actual NASA professionals in the field, and then having to learn how to piece it all together. It's been an amazing experience, and I'm so glad I was able to attend.
I think it's really important that especially because students have access to these kinds of opportunities that gives them a chance to shine, that gives them a chance to not only develop their skills, but also showcase their skills to people that are more knowledgeable in the field, and they can get inspired to work and make the world a better place.
No dejen que la gente apague su luz. Siempre seguir adelante y trabajar por lo que quieren, que se les puede dar.
Querido niño que escucha, verdaderamente tienes todo tipo de oportunidad y tienes un sueño adelante por ti que puedes cumplir.